Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Gravy Belt. Today we're back on the all-wheel drive EM2. It's been a little while. Been trying to get my new transmission put together, all the stuff collected, and also too, I had my turbo rebuilt. Had a little bit of play. Could have been multiple reasons why, but now it's legit. I added a couple more things to the car, put the cowl and the wipers back on, finished up the grill, and then also too threw on my front lip. So little things here and there to the car, collecting stuff, getting stuff done. Not everything I think is worthy to make a video. But today we're putting in the sequential. The intercooler's not on the car. I just never put it back on because I knew that we were going to put this in. And today we're going to throw it in and test it out. So we're going to switch to the time lapse and check it out. try these out. Not like I haven't done it like 30 times, but yeah. So I got to take a couple things off this. Got to take the release bearing off. Got to take the rear mount, and then yeah. So we transferred all the stuff we needed to from the other transmission, the release bearing assembly and the rear mount bracket. So basically just the reverse of taking it out. We're just going to put it back in and bolt everything up, and then once it's time to start messing with the shifter, I'll start filming again. So we'll see what's up right now. As you guys see, transmission's bolted in. Didn't give me too much fight, and yeah, it's bolted up to the motor. So on the innovative mounts right here, you can see we had to clearance this bracket slightly for these two things, and other than that, you know, the transmission fits perfectly. So those are the only two modifications I really had to do to the motor mounts or chassis, whatever you want to call it. Otherwise, everything else just bolts right in. So I'm gonna keep working on this. These shift cables and shifter have got to go, so I'm gonna pull those out before I put the subframe back in, make it a little bit easier on myself. And yeah, me and Nelson are gonna keep trucking. So we'll keep you guys updated on important things that I want you guys to know. All right, so we got everything put together. Everything's hooked up. I put oil in the transmission. That stuff is super thick. Got the shift cable bolted up, the reverse lockout, got the suspension. Everything is in. I mean, I still have to put the intercooler back in, but we're just gonna try this out for now. And yeah. So next step, to finish this install up, we got to mount the shifter. The shifter doesn't actually bolt into the car like factory. Yeah, this is for the speed sensor. I have a little adapter right here, but I'm not going to hook it up just yet because I need to change the settings in my Hall Tech and do a little bit more wiring. And so there's lots of little things I'm going to have to do to get this thing to be perfect. So got to go inside, mount the shifter, because it doesn't actually mount in the factory location. I think maybe like the first gen shifters were like that, but not the second. So just got to drill some holes, put some threaded rivets, and we'll be good. So come on, let's check it out. Okay, so the shifter's in. It's actually way too far back. I think it's supposed to be like center line is right here. So I got rid of some of that sound deadening, and I think about right here, I think we'll be right in the center. So I'm gonna throw the center console in real quick, and we'll take a look and get this thing lined up, dude. Nice. Shift boot. That thing is not held in very good anymore. I'm gonna have to modify this thing. Don't fit too good with all-wheel drive. So, let me see. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. What do you think, Nelson?
I mean, yeah, you're pretty much where the factory location was.
Uh-huh. Let me put a little mark here real quick. There we go. And then we'll pull this thing back out. And we'll check her out. Yeah, I'm gonna modify the boot, or just, you know, it does have a tear in it. Maybe I'll just take this stuff out. There's one more screw. Maybe the shifter boot can come out and then the bezel will stay. Let's check this out. Yeah, because this thing has like little clips. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with this for another day, dude.
Yeah.
Another day. Okay, but what's important is we got to get this thing mounted. I don't need the center console to drive the car. Okay, so what I marked was right here. I just want to make sure it's centered. It looks pretty centered to me. What do you think?
I mean, just by eyeballing it, it looks pretty. Yeah. Right,
Okay.
Right in the middle.
Okay. Well, we'll do 2, and we'll see where we're at. All right, so I'm gonna drill these out and put some what are those, threaded rivets, and then we'll be able to bolt this thing down. Yeah, that thing went a little sideways. It's okay.
You can't tell.
Let's see. How's that look? Does that look straight?
Yeah.
Okay, dude. Can you there we go. She tight. All right, she's all done. You know what? Let's get this thing tested out. I'm not sure what gear I'm in, so it's gonna work better when the engine's actually turning. So let's see. Okay, I think it's in reverse, and then I think that's, yeah, there we go. That's neutral. All right, you want to go out, Nelson, and check it out? I'm gonna put it in first gear. Is the tire spinning at all or no? Not really. Okay.
No.
Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Are they spinning quick, Nelson? Right. Fourth. Third. Second. First. And then look. In order to go back to neutral and reverse, I have, see, I can't push. You have to pull up. No, not spinning? Okay, let's try reverse, Nelson. Backwards? Neutral?
Neutral.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Looks like this transmission is working good, dude. Now we got to do is just take her for a little test drive and see how she does on the street. But I want to do a couple things first. So next video, we're going to go take it for a test drive and hear this thing make some noise, but feels good. Goes in all the gears. So I was playing with it in my house a little bit, and it feels a lot different actually in the car. So, but we'll see what's up. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.